If we look at the life of Ravana, he wasn't just a king of demons, he was perhaps the most complex devotee in history. His life was a constant tug of war between his unparalleled intellect and his towering arrogance. 1. The peak of devotion. Ravana was a master of the 4 Vedas and 6 Shastras. His love for Lord Shiva was absolute. To prove his devotion, he performed a penance so severe that it is still talked about today. It is said that he offered his 10 heads one by one into the sacrificial fire to please Mahadev. Just as he was about to sacrifice his 10th head, Shiva appeared, impressed by such extreme surrender, and restored his heads while granting him immense boons. 2. The lifting of Mount Kailash. As Ravana's power grew, so did his ego. One day he reached Mount Kailash, but Nandi, Shiva's gatekeeper, stopped him from entering. Infuriated and blinded by pride, Ravana thought, "If this mountain stands in my way, I shall uproot it." He placed his hands beneath the massive mountain and began to lift it. As the earth trembled and the mountain shook, Lord Shiva calmly pressed his big toe down onto the peak. The weight became so immense that Ravana's hands were crushed beneath the mountain. 3. The birth of the Shiva Tandava Stotram. Trapped in excruciating pain, Ravana realized his mistake. But instead of begging for mercy like an ordinary man, he used his musical genius and mastery over language. Right there, pinned under the mountain, he composed and sang the Shiva Tandava Stotram. The rhythmic power and the poetic beauty of the hymn was so profound that Shiva was moved. He not only released Ravana, but also gave him the name Ravana, the one with the terrifying row, and gifted him the divine sword, Chandrahas. 4. The lesson behind the story. The bond between Ravana and Shiva teaches us a profound lesson. Knowledge and talent are useless if they are fueled by ego. Ravana had the world's greatest devotee and the world's greatest scholar within him, but his pride eventually led to his downfall. Shiva loved the devotee in Ravana, but remained detached from the king's arrogance. The takeaway. True devotion requires the surrender of the I, something Ravana struggled with until the very end.